Guys, thanks for tuning in. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to enable or disable expand mode for blog images. Let's get started. On the blog post editor, click on the specific image you want to change to bring up the toolbar. Next, click on the settings button here. On the settings window, look for the toggle that says click to expand right over here. If you switch the toggle on, your readers will be able to click and see the full version or the full size version of your image. If you toggle it off, you want the image to stay static. Now feel free to decide whether you'd like to enable it or disable it. Once you're done making the changes, you can go ahead and click on Save to save it or Publish to publish your changes to your live site as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.